Hey penny pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having a fabulous day. This is your Glamorous penny pincher Shalomi, and today I'm coming to you with these towels that I took from basic to glam using some beautiful jewels. So if you want to see how I put it all together, just keep on watching. Now here are the items that you'll need for this DIY. You'll need a towel, of course, and it can be a towel of your choice. You'll need some beautiful bling wrap. This one I got from Totally Dazzled. I'll leave a link for you below. I also got these beautiful brooches. From where? Yes, you guessed it, Totally Dazzled as well. I have 2 of these. Absolutely gorgeous. You will also need your hot glue gun right here, some glue sticks, and some scissors. Now I'll start by placing my towel across the table, and I'll only be working in these 2 areas. Lucky for me, my towel already has the grooves. I've already pre-cut my bling wrap, and I will be placing them on top of the areas that I'm working with to make sure that my measurements are correct, and then I will proceed with gluing them down. Now you can use as many pieces as you like. For this project, I'll only be using 2. Okay, now that I'm satisfied with my placement, I'll be using my hot glue gun, and I will just add a bit of hot glue to the very beginning of the bling wrap, just like so. I'll also be adding some to the towel, and you may want to place something underneath it just so it doesn't go through. And then I'll just place it down carefully. Now this is hot, so you may want to use something to help you to smooth it out until it adheres. In this case, I'm just using my scissors. At this point, you just want to tap it down with the scissors or whatever object you're using to make sure it adheres, and just keep going until you feel that it's properly secured. Guys, before I forget, I now have merchandise for sale. You can go ahead and check them out directly below this video and leave me a comment in the comment section and let me know what you think. Now that my bling wrap is firmly adhered to the towel, it's now time to add the jewels. I'll be using these 2 beautiful brooches from Totally Dazzled, and they do come with a latch attached to the back, as you can see. Now if you want to remove these, you can just pop it off with a pair of scissors, just like so. But in this case, I'm going to just pin it onto the towel in case I need to use it on another project. Now I've placed the brooch in the center of the towel, and feel free to measure it just to make sure that you have it centered as much as possible. In my case, I just eyeballed it, and I will be adding the second brooch directly below the first one. Right now I'm just raising the towel so I can guide the pin through. I'm just inserting it, making sure it gets through fine, and then I will just latch it to the clasp that's on the back of the brooch. And just like that, we are done. How easy was that? Now let's go ahead and style these babies. And here they are, penny pinchers, looking all glam and beautiful. Now I'm displaying them in a bathroom that rarely gets used but has great lighting, so I wanted you to see them here, and I will also show them to you with a black background, that way you can see more of the sparkles. This beautiful tie that's holding it is from the Dollarama. I bought them a while back. I think I paid $2 each for them. Absolutely gorgeous. I also got the 4 small mirrors that's hanging above the towels from the Dollarama as well, and those were $3.50 each. And here they are again without the ties. I've just simply folded them in half and placed them beside each other. I absolutely love how it turned out. I think they are beautiful, and it's such a simple and easy way to glam up any towel and create a different look for your space. Now remember guys, you can use any color towel of your choice, and Totally Dazzled has these bling wraps and brooches in silver, gold, and rose gold. Such an easy and simple way to glam up any item. That is all I have for you today guys. Thank you so much for joining me. If this is your first time seeing my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I would love for you to join the Penny Pincher family by hitting the subscribe button below. And don't forget that notification bell. That way you are the first to know when I upload my videos. And to all my Penny Pinchers, love you guys so much. Until the next video, this is your Glamorous Penny Pincher Shalom is saying, love you, love you, love you. Bye-bye.